parties are marked. Once your party's marked, ready, get through portal 2. It's gonna be portal 2, everybody, portal 2.
There's going to be at least one person without a party. If you need one, just X up in guild chat. We'll pick you up.
We've also got a spot if anybody needs.
Big ass
Join Team Sweden.
Discord.
Or Swedish Ohio. That's what we'll call it.
Oh, Swedish Ohio?
Yeah.
Swedish Ohio!
It's Sangre Latinas.
Is it really? Alright, go ahead and get to pin 3 side, guys. Get to pin 3. Actually, pin 1, my bad. Let's hold pin 1.
They're still at their portal. I just ran over there to look.
I feel like it would have
It's
been
also
funnier if it
Mutiny.
was.
Yeah,
It's
you
Mutiny
guys
and
are
Sangre
full.
Latina. Alright, let's try and keep comms clear here. This is 2 guilds. Our main goal is going to be controlling pin 3 side. We're going to need to have people watching the grapple at 6 as well. For now, we're just holding pin 1 though until the boss spawns.
Someone correspond this as.
He does have a
Look
ton
over
of
towards
weakeners.
5. Look over towards 5. We got people spawning in.
Take pin 5, my group.
If you die, you can just hit portal 2, portal 1. Either one works. Sangre is spawning at portal 1 as well. Try not to overextend here.
You know, if you get time, can we get marks?
Oh, yeah. Stand near me so I can mark people.
You'll have to get your brother once he comes home from his world tour.
Bruh, it's not letting me mark. There you go. Alright, look towards pin 2, guys. Pin 2. We got people coming in behind us. Find their DPS, focus those guys down first. We got a lot of people coming up the grapple. We got DPS over by pin 6.
Hey, look who it is. It's Mike Over. Yeah, we just
Stay
killed
spread
Mike
out,
Over.
guys. Clear comms, stay spread out. Look towards pin 3. We've got 2 parties on pin 3. Tanks look to group these guys up. Let's maintain control of pin 3 and pin 2. There's a bunch of them grouping towards like the bottom of the grapple. Get a minute 30 until the boss spawns.
Fucked
Remember,
it
if you
up a lot,
die,
right? I feel like we could have done that.
if you die, you're gonna be just spawning portal 2 at all times. We're just gonna spawn portal 2 over and over if we die.
The good part with this 5-man party, I follow D-Boost and Shaz follow down low. We have one each pocket healer. Because Manoa ain't
Pretty sure
dying that
Matt's
easy.
party is just soloing that guild down there, so that works. 30 seconds till the boss is up. Go ahead and get people focusing on boss in 20 seconds. Seems like y'all got a handle down there. You don't even need to say anything. Alright, boss is up in 10. I'm gonna be watching from pin 1 side just to call out if they spawn.
Down low. Oh, well.
We do have them respawning pin 1. Look towards pin 1. We got 4 parties coming in. Those of you that are down in the grapple, go ahead and regroup with us up here.
Bro, you even take damage? You've been without a healer the entire time.
Nope. Try to keep these 1s and 2s off the boss. Don't even let them touch it. We got one party over by pin 4 here. Those of you on boss, make sure you're staying spread. Do not let these spear bombers kill you. Try to keep them in front of us here. They're just trickling in from pin 1 side. Keep an eye on the pin 6 grapple as well.
Oh, that's
If anybody
yeah.
takes grapple, call it out.
Oh, Astaroth?
I'd
They're
forgotten
coming up
about
pin
that.
6. They're coming up pin 6. One party. 2 parties. 3 parties. I need help on pin 6. A lot of bodies coming up. Some of these guys are so squished, man. If I'm getting kills, it's not good.
Be like that. You're an animal.
Alright, Mutiny's flooding back in from pin 1. Look towards pin 1.
Oh yeah, more people that left us because we were holding them back.
How fucking dare you?
Ooh.
They're
Terrible.
just hard trickling. Just try and focus them down. Don't let them touch the boss. Still people coming up from grapple, pin 6. It's like a tower defense game. You gotta keep them off.
Forget to upgrade your unit.
You guys ever played Bloons?
Oh, I love balloons.
It's kind of like that. If you need milk, you can go stand off to the side.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, put
Holy.
down low in the corner.
Really?
No, Aiko is a Templar now.
Damn.
Got some
What?
respawns, pin 1.
I'm fixing deboosts mana. You're almost full mana again. Hey, more mana.
I think a lot of these people are still in tier 1.
That feels like that. Some people hitting the boss. Some of them are flying through pin 4. The fuck? I don't even know how they're doing that.
I got killed.
I think
I got killed by
never
the
has.
boss.
Lots of people
I've
coming
just
through
never
6
felt
again.
so unfair.
Careful standing near the edge. They don't. They might pull you off.
Really?
Pin 3, back on pin 3. We got a couple people just hitting you guys in the back.
Oh! Yeah.
Wait, I'm coming and
Me
giving you
cogieron, me
some
cayeron
mana
encima.
treatment.
Astra y todo esto. Me agarraron para acá abajo y me cayeron encima.
There. No, fuck. There. I've given you enough
They're
mana.
coming back
I'll
through
do-
pin 6 again.
Coming deboost. There. I gave you about like 3,000 mana. I can't do much more there.
Got 2 parties grappling up. You can just stand here and body block.
I can't. Yeah, I can't get the thing out fast enough for them.
Oh, Mike over. Kill Mike over.
Don't let the balloons through.
Oh no, come here, Mike.
And we did it.
Didn't even pay attention to the HP.
They have a guy called Ronald Trump.
He's in their guild. What the fuck? I've seen him before.
Hey, it's another impediment.
Some of them did say they wanted to come back.
I imagine they do. Shouldn't have left.
No, but we're holding them back. No.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Punisher.
Pun
I
pun.
think
Pum pum.
at
Pun.
Delete
least,
someone.
you know,
Delete someone.
never have a reality check been so hard like as this one.
Good lord.
41 assists.
12 assists.
I felt like I was more running in between down low and deboost trying to give mana in the end.
Where are you going?
Not HP, mana.
Such a disparity in like types of fights.
I got 45 assists that though.
Ooh, big incoming on 5.
Oh yeah, look towards 5. Lots of people on 5. Big piles. Make sure you eat up. Everybody can get your fill.
Oh my. Yeah, Tovek, 22 kills by focusing the boss. Yeah.
Somebody roll higher. Roll higher, quick.
Just died to my hellfire rain all the time.
No, he rolled higher than like all of us.
What did he
No,
roll?
Stoop got 87.
Ah,
87.
Super-
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and
Shaz?
Shaz got 1. Shaz won.
Shaz rolled a 1, bro. That's a kick.
Fine,
Where did
I'm
Punisher
gonna go
go?
join Salty Latinas or whatever that guild was called.
They have a Timu Macalania.
It would have been funnier if it was Macarena.
Astroth.
Hey,
Or,
Macarena.
Damn, that guy went flying.
Where are they going?
Astroth, you can't run away from us.
That's crazy.
Was it Astroth that killed you?
Look,
Wait,
Punisher.
they tried to walk out of the zone? Are you serious? They went all the way to the wall.
I don't think you can here. No,
Nope, you can't.
It's just a barrier, yeah.
It's a rude awakening. He's like, haha, I'm getting away. Smack.
Hey, I got Astro.
Vina got pizza, but he didn't bring enough for everyone.
Free kick. Yeah, they are below the grapple. Wait,
I
let me
don't
get a
know.
piece.
Yeah, these guys' damage is not the greatest, because I've had them now for quite a while on me.
Not even down there. Leave us a solo healing.
What?
When you guys were fighting now, I wasn't down here. Like, it was just
Oh.
you two, and I was standing up
Tony with
by
the triple
icons.
bomb.
Oh, down low.
Wait,
No.
they have a guy named Shiz.
Wait, they have a budget
Is that why
chat?
she couldn't play tonight?
She's on her own.
Traitorous scum.
Shiz and
You
Kaz.
take back your slander.
Oh, download.
How dare you? That's a G kick.
I am, Luzerine, I am super loyal as long as I have my heals. When that goes away, I get grumpy.
She's busy right now. She's got things to do.
What damage? He didn't touch your HP bar.
Yeah, what the fuck? Like, I wasn't even hitting with spears. I wasn't even moving.